We will check the second one. So this is another function associated with two sets which are 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the function is associating here g function. Now how they are associating? 5 with 4 here given, 6 with 3, 7 with 4, 8 with 2. Is it function? Yes. Each and every element of set A have unique image. So it is a function. So now we have to check inverse exist or not. If inverse exists, G must be 1, 1 and on 2. What is 1, 1? Different inputs, different outputs. Different elements of set have the different images in set B, correct or not? Now you can see that different elements, what are those? 5 as well as 7. See here, 5, 4, 7, 4. 5 and 7 are different inputs. That means 5 is not equal to 7, whereas 4 is equal to 4. That means you remember it, x1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Like that we can write. Otherwise, you can write like this also. F of 5 and f of 7 both are having same image. So different elements is having same image. So f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1. Is it on to? Check it. It is not on to also. Why? Because there is an element in B set without pre-image. So what is on to function definition? For every element of set B, there exists at least one pre-image in set A. So you can write one is an element without pre-image, hence it is not onto. So by this case only we will say that it is not inverse, but we are also checking the onto also. In this previous problem, it is not 1, 1, but it is onto. In this problem, it is neither 1, 1, not onto. Obviously, it is not a bisective. Obviously, inverse does not exist. Hence, inverse of G does not exist. Correct, students? Right. We will check the one more problem. So now we have to check the third subdivision. Here also one more function defined, that is H with two sets. What are the two sets? Set of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7, 9, 11, 13. So now we are going to check as this is the function with H. How it defined? 2 with 7, 3 with 9, 4 with 11, 5 with 13. By seeing this different, it is a function because unique element of A have unique image. Correct or not? Different elements of A, for every element of A have unique image in B. We don't have the say two elements is in same image in B. Correct or not? So one element in A does not have two images in B. That's why first coordinate is not repeated. So it is a function. At the same time, different inputs, different outputs. So we can say that it is 1, 1. And also it is onto. Why? Because each and every element of second set there is at least one pre-image. 7 we have pre-image 2, 9 we have pre-image 3, 11 we have pre-image 4, 13 we have pre-image 5. That's why it is onto also. Write it here. Therefore, f is both 1, 1 function and onto function. You know very well it is both 1, 1 and onto function. It is a bisective. Correct, students? That's why we can write simply, if it is a bisective, inverse exists. Clear, students? So f is both 1 1 function and onto function, hence sorry, it is not f, it is h. H is both 1 1 and onto function, hence h inverse exists. In the previous problem I written as here f, this is the function with g, so you are going to write as g of 5 and g of 7. So g is not 1 1. So g is not onto also, hence inverse of c does not exist. So this is the fifth problem, 3 subdivisions. So you have to remember, it is very very important point, invertible, inverse exist. Andra ante compulsory the given function should be a bisective. Bisective means it should satisfy 1 1 as well as onto. Then only it is invertible and inverse is possible. So you have to verify both and write the answer. Thank you, students. So we have one more problem, sixth one. Show that f is mapping -1 to 1. So -1 to 1, it is a closed bracket. That means what are the values in -1 to +1? That means we have infinite values. Those are domain. This is codomain given by f of x is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1 1. First we have to prove it is a 1 1 function. After that find the inverse of the function. So remember, when the function is invertible, we have to calculate inverse function, means that is different. If they are asking whether it is a 1 1 function, find f inverse, only f inverse, they won't ask invertible. In such cases we have to do separate version, that I will explain now. Listen here. Understood, students? If the function is invertible, find f inverse means already we did 2 examples in 5 marks question. Like that we have to do step 4, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Now they are asking whether it is, show that it is a 1 1. 1 1 and prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. After that we are going to calculate the given function is we are going to say that what is f inverse. In that case we will follow the different process. Clear, students? Now first we are checking that whether it is a 1 1 or not. You know that when given the problem like this, you are proving by 1 1 is mathematical definition. What is mathematical definition of 1 1? Let you are picking 2 elements x1 and x2 in the domain, whether f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is equal to x2, or else f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is not equal to x2. If you proved, then it is 1 1 function. Like that we will go through that. See, students. So f is mapping closed bracket -1 to 1 to r, and f of x is given x upon x plus 2. Let x1 and x2, we are taken 2 different elements, x1 and x2 belongs to in the domain. What is domain here? -1 to 1. What we have to prove, students? F of x1 is equal to f of x2, that double implies x1 is equal to x2. This is in one way. The another way is f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, that double implies x1 is not equal to x2. So you can choose any one out of these two. Let now I am choosing f of x1 is equal to f of x2. According to the problem, f of x, you know that what is a f of x1, where is x, there is x1. So f of x1 is x1 by x1 plus 2, f of x2 is x2 upon x2 plus 2. So where is x, there is x1, 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 x2, x2, x2. So we can equate and making cross multiplication, you will get as x1 of x2 plus 2 is equal to x2 of x1 plus 2. Now we will multiply x1 x2 plus 2x1, which is equal to x1 x2 plus 2x2. I can cancel x1 and x2, remain 2x1 is equal to 2x2. I can cancel 2 and 2, so x1 is equal to x2. We proved f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We got it x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1 function. So we proved the first part. Yes. Now second part is important. When you are going to calculate f inverse, you remember that you have to take let f of x is equal to y. What is y? That we are going to write. Consider y is an element in the codomain. What is codomain? R. F of x means range. The same element is equal to the range. Clear, students? Right. So what is f of x? F of x value is already given here. X by x plus 2 is equal to y. So taking cross multiplication, x is equal to y into x plus 2, x is equal to xy plus 2y. Now, what is your aim? Here, all the values in terms of x. Nothing but it is y in terms of x, y subject in terms of x. Now, x subject in terms of y answer. That's why you bring this term is left side, x minus xy is equal to 2y. You can take x common factor, 1 minus y is equal to 2y. So, x is equal to 2y upon 1 minus y. Now, the entire problem is in terms of y. That means in terms of codomain. Now, this value exists in x. For what value of y means? Except 1. Understood, students? If y place, if you put 1, why? Because y is belongs to real numbers. Real numbers can contain any number, but you should not take 1. Why? If you take 1, the denominator is 0. If denominator is 0, this value does not exist in x. But x value is exist in between minus 1 to plus 1. That means x value is possible. X value is when it is not possible, when you are replacing y place is 1. That's why for all the values of y except 1, there exists x that is equal to 2y by 1 minus y, such that f of x is equal to y. Understood, students? So here you need f inverse. F inverse is nothing but this is only the answer. How would we know? Very simple. This is x value. Initially you took as f of x is equal to y. Correct, students? In this I can make x as a subject, you will get f inverse y. Correct or not? F is moving from left side to left side, right side is nothing but f inverse y. Correct, students? So x value is nothing but f inverse y only. Therefore, f inverse y is equal to 2y upon 1 minus y. So this is inverse of the f only. Find the inverse of the function. Suppose it is given in terms of x. You also need in terms of x. You will write f inverse x is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x. This is valid when y is not equal to 1. I told here y is belongs to real numbers. All real numbers, if you substitute here, x value is not satisfied. That means x value is not exist for one number, that is 1. That's why you have to take except 1 all real numbers. There exist a pre-image. That is only onto function definition. Correct or not? If it is 1 1 and onto, then only inverse exists. Correct, students? Understood? Right. So now this is Right, students. Next question, seventh question. Consider f is mapping from R to R given by f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible, find the inverse of f. So these models already I explained with two examples. Invertible function. Definitely one 5 marks question you will get. So we have 5 to 6 problems in this exercise are examples. Already I did previously one example, 2 examples I did it. Now this is an exercise problem. In exercise we have 3 more problems. So this 3 plus 2, 5, you thorough with that, you will get one problem for 5 marks students in per PUC. Right. I told you want to see that, you want to prove that f is an invertible. I told the definition of invertible. What is definition of invertible? Suppose f is a function mapping from x to y. There exists another function g is maps from y to x such that f circle g is equal to identity function of g domain and g circle f is equal to identity function of f domain, then g is called inverse of f is invertible. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. We have 4 steps. If you complete the 4 steps, you will get the 5 marks, very easiest question. Right, students. Now I will solve the problem. Given that f is mapping from R to R, f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Consider y belongs to codomain R such that f of x is equal to y. What does it mean? In this is a codomain, real numbers means we have infinite. Let I am assuming one number y. This y is belongs to R. How this element range is equal to that element, and f of x is equal to y. So now what is f of x in this problem? 4x plus 3. So this is step 1. I told when going to the step 2, we have to make x value subject. That means x value you have to write in terms of y. That is the new function g. So this is given function x. So this values, this function is y. We are treating as y, or it is f of x. So all the values in terms of x. Y value is in terms of x. Next what we have to do? X value is in terms of y. Like that we have to change. How to change? Simple, make x as a subject. You want to make x as a subject. 4x is equal to y minus 3 first of all. Next x is equal to y minus 3 upon 4. This x value only we are taken as the new function. So that's why let g be the function. Invertible I told, f is a function mapping from R to R. There exists another function g maps from reverse order. Reverse order also R to R only. G is mapping from R to R, defined by, how the g value is defined? Nothing but g value in terms of y. That's why g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Don't confuse students. If it is x, value is in terms of x. If it is y, in terms of y. So we got this value is in terms of y. That's why you should not take here g of x. It is g of y only. So what is the next step? Definition you can recall. F is a function mapping from x to y. There exists another function g is mapping from y to x such that f circle g and g circle f. These two composite function we have to calculate. F and g composite function. that may be a G circle F or F circle G. Now I am calculating G circle F. G circle F, what is the first function here? F. F is in terms of x, that's why you are going to take as x. So for this elaborating form or expanded form is g of f of x for all x belongs to domain is R. Correct, students? Now you have to simplify. G of what is f of x? F of x is given here 4x plus 3. What we have to do next? This 4x plus 3 we are going to replace on G. In G where we have to replace? Simple. This is G. G after we have variable y. So y place we have to replace. Here y place means here also y place. So simply this total value we are going to replace on y. So you will get 4x plus 3 y place after we have minus 3 upon 4. We can cancel minus 3 plus 3. So 4x upon 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. We had only x. So G circle f of x is equal to x means it is an identity function. So G circle f is equal to identity function in x belongs to R domain. Domain means f. What is f? Domain R. So this is a simultaneous equation. Clear, students? Now we have one more composite function with f and g. G circle f is exist. F circle g also possible. F circle g of, don't write here x because the last function is g. G value is in terms of y. So you are going to write as y. So f of g of y for all y belongs to, y value is belongs to whom? Real numbers. That means in codomain. Correct, students? Now f of g of y value y minus 3 upon 4. Now we have to check that this value is replacing on f. Where we have to replace? F variable. F after variable is x. So this entire value we have to replace on only x of right side. So x before we have 4, that you can copy is the same. Next x place you have to replace this entire value. So put in bracket y minus 3 by 4. Now it is 4x plus 3. Understood, students? Right. We can cancel this 4 and 4. We have y minus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. Y, which is equal to f circle g of y. Now we are taken y, we got it y. So it is also identity function in G domain. G domain. What is G domain here? That is also real numbers. So this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we conclude that f is invertible. F is invertible. Therefore, G value is called inverse of f. You need that f inverse particular value. So G value is in terms of y. That's why I am taking y is an element on both sides. After that, G of y means you know that value. So y minus 3 by 4 is f inverse y. They are asking inverse of f. F is in terms of x. So you can express in terms of x. F inverse x is equal to y place is x. So right side also where is y, there is x. So this is the f inverse value, students.